Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Some Assemblage Required monthly embellishment box unboxing. This came out, I think, last week, and I just have not gotten around to filming it, so my apologies. You may have already seen it over on the Some Assemblage Required Facebook page, where MK did a review or a reveal of everything that was going to be released for October, but I'm going to just do the monthly box, not all of the additional things that she released in the shop. She's got some amazing stuff over there, so I highly recommend going and checking it out. A lot of fall and some Halloween stuff as well this month, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. So go give it a look. So this is how it comes. Well, it actually comes in a box, a cardboard box, and then it's all wrapped nice and pretty with a cute little sticker that says October. You get a little bit of string. I saved my string because you never know when you're going to need it. I also do save some of the brown paper just because it's very very much like craft paper. It's thinner, but it's craft color, and I feel like I can use it to back photos or mat things, or as different kinds of interest on my pages. So I save some of it. I don't save everything just because I normally order quite a bit more than just this, but if this is all you got, then I would save it. So here's what we have. So for this month, we have some really cute flair from Scrap and Happy Studio. We've got three pumpkins in different colors. I think those are super cute. These are the canvas flair, and they are the 1 1/4, 1 1/4. Is that right? Let's measure just to be sure. They're the larger ones. They're not the mini flare. So yeah, 1 1/4. And I like to run these through my die cut machine and flatten them. And I don't recommend doing it on a little sidekick. It's too big to do that. I pull them off. They are mounted on some foam right now, so I pull the foam off the back and then I put them through my Sizzix switch, but any of the larger machines will be able to do the job. And then they're not so bulky on your page. But if you don't mind a little bit of thickness, you can also pull the foam off the back and use a glue dot that's flat to attach them, and then they still wouldn't be as thick as what you see here, because that glue dot that she's got in the back is pretty thick. So that's really cool. We've got 3 different wood veneers. I believe this is wood. It is a linen pattern over the wood veneer. I think it's wood. Let's double check. Oh boy. Maybe it's acrylic. I don't know, but it's super thin, you guys. Look how thin that is. This does not add much bulk to your layout. And I can't tell without removing the backer. It might be acrylic because the wood comes with adhesive on the back, and this doesn't look like it's got adhesive. So it is, yeah, it's acrylic. So no backer on it. The wood does come with an adhesive backer, but the acrylic does not. So you can just go ahead and add your own adhesive to that. But I think those are adorable. I love the texture and the pattern of the linen on there, and I think that's super cute. And I love that it's a really neutral color, so it can go with just about anything. We've got this adorable little fox. He is super cute as well. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up, and I know I'm going a little bit slow and a little bit in depth here for you, but in case you haven't seen this stuff yet, this is the fox. This is on a wood veneer, but it is also super thin. I believe it's a 1/16 of an inch, so it doesn't add a lot of bulk. All of the wood veneer does come with a masking over it, so when she cuts it, you can kind of see how it's like a little bit darker in some of these areas. It protects the wood underneath so it doesn't scorch. So I just use my tweezers because that seems to be what's easiest for me to get it started, and it doesn't take a whole lot. You don't want to dig into the wood, but you can see it comes off really easily. You can also use duct tape or Gorilla tape or something like that. My tape that I have is really not the best tape. It's some weird off-brand, and it doesn't like to pick it up great. It's almost more work than it's worth, but you can see it comes off really easily, and I think it just looks so cute, you guys. This little fox is adorable. I don't know, he's precious. I think this is probably going to end up on a baby layout of some sort. It doesn't have to be a nature layout. It can be a total little baby layout. It's super cute. I didn't pull all of the masking off. You can kind of see the difference in the texture here. So I've got the wood right here, and then that's, well, let's see, the wood at the bottom, and then you've got the masked area with the pumpkin, not the pumpkin, the mushroom, and then you can just pull it off. So super cute. And this is also adhesive backed, so you don't even have to put adhesive on it. It's done for you. Super cool. Then we've got these gourds, and with acorns. Oh, these are just stunning. They're just so pretty and so detailed with like the little wheat in there. Oh my goodness. So those are fun. Again, it's got a mask over it. You want to pull that off. You can pull portions of it off, like pull the pumpkin off and paint that with paint pens to be orange, and then pull the next piece off and, you know, paint the next piece. You can do it however you want, or you can just pull it off and use it as it is. I like it raw wood. Okay, then we've got a stencil. This is from All in Create. Obviously, it's number 79. Does it have a name? I don't know what it's called. Sputnik. It's space designed, but I love all of the circles because it doesn't really read space to me. It reads very, I don't know, I think it would go great with some pumpkins and stuff. So that's really cool. It's a pretty delicate stencil as well. So I would probably use this for some inking with a blending brush, because that's probably going to be a really good way to use it. Or maybe some spray mist. I don't know that I would put texture paste through that because that's super delicate. You might be able to, but I don't know if I would even try it. I think it's gorgeous. And then we have these chipboard pieces from Dusty Attic. These are called crooked branches, and you can build your own kind of a branch or tree type of a deal with it. You can pair it up with some pumpkins and make it a little more creepy looking. She also has jack-o'-lanterns in the shop you could pair it up with. You could pair it up with the flare and have a creepy vine coming out of the back of your pumpkins. So I think that's really cool. These you just, I don't know, let's see if you can see, there's like a little spot there where they're attached. You just use your little blade and press down, and they will release and pop out of the chipboard really easily, and that's super thin too. And then we have the Crafty Garden acetate assortment, which has some beautiful fall colors in it. That fall green, I love that, and the yellow, which is going to pair nicely with like all of your pumpkin-y stuff. And I just think it's really beautiful with the browns. Quite a few things in there, flowers and leaves and such. And I think that's going to be fun to play with too. And then of course 49 Market, you can usually use the packaging. The packaging has this, I guess, is that a dragonfly or a moth on it? This is an acetate piece, but it's got the florals and all of that, so you know, reuse the packaging. Really cool, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do that as well. And go over and check out the Some Assemblage Required Facebook group. She has a Facebook group and a page. The page is where she shows you the release of her products, and the Facebook group is a great place to share and just enjoy the community that is built over there. You can also join my Facebook group. The links are all down below for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you soon. Bye-bye.